Groovy. Hey guys, my name is Phil. Welcome to the new look of the Cool Tool Tuesday series here at the Timbacon YouTube channel. So the Veritas Cornering Tool Set, it's a very cool little kit of essentially kind of like chisels, planes I suppose you could say. They do round over chamfers on the edges of bits of wood so that you don't have those hard corners on the furniture that you make. Not necessarily furniture I suppose, anything you make with a hard 90 that you want to have a soft 90. You would use one of these. I make custom drums and percussion instruments. The outside edge of the drum is called the bearing edge, and these are a very quick and easy way to get exactly the round over you want on the outside edge started. You know what I mean? You use this to do the majority of the chamfering work on the outside of the bearing edge. And then you finish it up with sandpaper and whatnot before you wax it to seal it. If you're a traditionalist, these are a very handy way to get that nice, clean, crisp, rounded chamfer edge on your things that you've made, your furniture and whatnot, without needing to set up a router table. For some reason, in spite of being designed in Canada and made in England, it's in imperial sizes, which, you know, is what it is, I guess. But it comes in 4 different sizes, which are... I'm literally going to read it off the tool now because, you know, I'm organized. 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, and 3/16 round over chamfers. And it comes with a very convenient sharpening kit, which has those same radiuses, radii, let's go with radii, that you can tool it. You can dial in those edges with it. You can sharpen it so that it works that way. And it comes with a nice little piece of 600 grit sandpaper to do that. They are pre-sharpened, but they just need a quick little hone and a bit of a stropping if you got a chunk of leather that would work as well. These were on my Christmas wish list a couple years ago, and I did not get here fast enough, or I suppose my relatives did not get here fast enough to get me these for Christmas, and I have been waiting for them to come back, and they recently did, and they're very cool. For a while, I was a little bit worried I would have to wait until the next time I went home to visit my mom so I could buy them in Canada where they were designed. But conveniently, they're now just up the street here at Timbacon, which is awesome. So for more information on the super nifty Veritas Cornering Kit, go to timbacon.com.au. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, or shall-like-ascribe, as the cool kids say, to this here YouTube channel for more information about all things Timbacon. And I'm Phil, and I'm out!